Hi, I'm Ed Quattlebaum, Head of Product Development at Attune Ag. I'm really pleased today to be able to share with you some data that we've generated using our entrapment insecticide, the SP formulation for use on ornamentals. What I'm going to show you are trials for control of silverleaf whitefly, two-spotted spider mite, and cabbage aphid. All of these can be very serious pests on ornamentals. And the crops or plants that we're going to be looking at are daisy, goldenrod, and ornamental kale. The top two graphs are actually the same trial. One is evaluating the number of live nymphs and the other is evaluating the number of dead nymphs. This trial was conducted in Valley Center, California in 2018, and it evaluated silverleaf whitefly control on daisy. The competitive standard was TriStar 30 SG, and it was being applied at 0.09 ounces per 1,000 square feet. Entrapment SP was being applied at 0.25%. The graph on the upper left is the number of live nymphs. 7 days after the treatment, both products had comparable levels of live nymphs. However, when we go to the graph on the right, which is the number of dead adults, the entrapment SP had 4 times as many dead adults as TriStar, showing superior performance. The next graph we're going to look at is on the lower left, and this is a trial that was conducted in Valley Center, California in 2018, evaluating entrapment SP for control of two-spotted spider mite on goldenrod. The competitive product was Contos, applied at 0.05 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet. Entrapment SP was applied at 0.25%. 6 days after the treatment, you can see that Contos and SP had a very comparable level of control. This is the graph on the lower right. This was in Oregon City, Oregon. The pest was cabbage aphid and the crop was kale. The standard was Admire Pro, applied at 0.02 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet. Entrapment SP was applied at 0.25%. It was a single application. And you can see that both insecticides provided greater than 95% control 27 days after the application. So to summarize the results that we had on ornamentals, we evaluated entrapment SP for control of silverleaf whitefly, two-spotted spider mite, and cabbage aphid. Entrapment SP provided effective control comparable to the best in class of the industry. And these trials were conducted on daisy, goldenrod, and ornamental kale.